Give me some more volume, baby. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. I say go. For Israel, everybody in the place, make some noise. On fait du bruit pour Israël, tout le monde. Don't stop, rock it, shake, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. Hey, remix to the max.
Many friends here, members of parliament, Anthony, Housefather, members de l'Assemblée nationale, mayors, 7, 8, 9, I've lost count, consuls general who are here today, friends, everybody. 75 years old. Let's make this a party. We're now almost 10 million people in Israel, and we're only just beginning.